Pansley Ice Cream Silky Hair Removal Spray is popular for the removal of hair at the roots. The cream feels just like ice cream, very smooth, cool, and with a light smell. It will not cause any irritation. Wait 8 minutes after applying. When the hair gets curly, then wipe it off and wash the area. The cream removes the hair near to the roots. Your hair will not grow back quickly. Smooth skin, no irritation. Pansley Hair Growth Inhibitor Serum permanently stops hair from growing with 10% hyaluronic acid and provides moisture, comfort, and repairs the skin. It is suitable for sensitive skin and dry skin and is fragranced with fruit and flowers, helping you to feel fresh and pleasant the whole day.